Your snoring is either harmless or it's straining your heart. One question tells you which. Ask whoever sleeps beside you. Do I ever go silent, then gasp? Gasping means sleep apnea. Ask your doctor for a sleep study. No gasping means simple snoring, and the fix is free. Sleep on your side. That alone fixes 6 in 10 people. One more thing. Alcohol and sleeping pills before bed both relax your throat muscles. A narrower airway snores louder. For more daily tips like these, follow Spotlight videos.